Hello, Hobie Nation. So you've heard that you can be rewarded by predicting the price of coins. Welcome to the Hobie Halving Countdown. You will need a minimum of 10 USDT to participate. To deposit your USDT, simply go to Hobie.com, go to Balances, Exchange Account. Once here, you will go to Deposit, and you will find the deposit address here. Simply copy and deposit your coin. Once complete, the coin will show up on the Balances tab. So how do you participate in the Hobie Halving Countdown? Go to the Hobie Global homepage and go to the Halving Countdown option in the banner. Select the banner. This promotion will run from the 14th of April until the 4th of May. Welcome to the Halving Countdown Predict to Win campaign. You will predict which tokens will score the highest price increase for the day. Winners who pick the top 20 tokens will share the daily prize pool. If you continue to participate, you will also have a shot at a share in the 7-day prize pool, as well as the overall prize pool. So which tokens are part of this promotion? We have BTC, ETC, BCH, BSV, Dash, and ZEC. You can see that ZEC was the #1 increase yesterday, and Dash was #2. To learn more about each of these tokens, simply click Detail. This will show you the countdown for the halving. It will show you trends and other data. Once you've made your selection as to which coin will have the largest price increase, simply click Buy to Predict. It will automatically give you the best price. Type in the amount you'd like to purchase and click Buy. It will bring up a Confirm to Buy. Simply click that, and you are done. That's it. That is how to participate in the Hobie Halving Countdown. Thank you for participating, and good luck with your predictions.